In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to your document seamlessly. This is a handy skill, especially if you want to brand your documents or indicate that they are drafts. Let's get started by diving into the steps you'll need to follow. First things first, make sure you have your document open and ready to go. Now, navigate to the top of your screen and click on the Insert tab. Once you've done that, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Watermark. This option will allow you to incorporate a watermark into your document, giving you an extra layer of customization. Next, you'll want to choose the image file you wish to use as your watermark. This can be any image you prefer, including a GIF if you'd like a more dynamic element. To upload the image, simply click on the Choose or Upload button, depending on your interface, and select the image file from your computer. Take a moment to ensure that the image you select fits the purpose of your document, whether that's branding it with a logo or marking it as a confidential draft. Once you've successfully uploaded your image, you'll have the option to adjust the scale to perfectly fit your document. You don't want the watermark to overshadow your text, but rather subtly sit in the background as a noticeable yet unobtrusive feature. You'll find a setting to adjust the scale, allowing you to make the image larger or smaller until it meets your needs. Another neat feature you can utilize is the option to fade the watermark. Fading the watermark creates a more subtle effect, ensuring your text remains the focal point while the watermark serves its purpose in the background. It's generally considered good practice to fade watermarks, particularly when they're used in formal documents or presentations, ensuring readability remains at the forefront. When you're satisfied with how your watermark appears in the document, all that's left to do is click Done. This will finalize your adjustments and lock the watermark into place. Take a moment to scroll through your document to ensure the watermark appears as you've intended, with the right level of visibility and placement. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to effectively add and customize a watermark in your document. This simple yet powerful feature enhances the professionalism and security of your documents, making it a valuable tool in your digital repertoire. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.